guys, I'm doing a quick video this morning to let you know that I just dropped another update to the Bitcoin Growth Accelerator, and essentially this is going to begin supporting delayed credit purchases up to 55 times the amount of marketplace purchases. I'm not going to get into all the details, but the math actually led me in this direction. But that 55 times is only going to be over purchases made over the past 30 days. Okay, so I just wrote up a quick explanation of that here and wanted to drop this video because I know some of you guys don't log into the forum, and going forward, since I'm not seeing too many views on these videos, I'll probably stop doing videos and keep all of my updates specifically here on the forum, because this may be a waste of time. But in that regard, I do want to refer back to this wallet because yet more updates that have come in that I'd like to display to you and show you guys. And this will probably be the last video that I do on the Growth Accelerator, because in the other videos, including this one, it will pretty much cover everything that you'd want to know. So anybody can go and check those videos at any given time. So what happened yesterday when I got paid out, or this morning, or whenever I got paid out, let's see. I got paid out 100% in Bitcoin. So here is my payout for the day. And notice both came in Bitcoin. And this is when the compounding part kicks in, guys. So as I mentioned in the previous video, I just want to demonstrate it here for you. Remember, when you create a campaign, you put in the original amount that you want to submit per interval or per submission, and is going to default that to the allocated amount. But each time you get a payout fully in Bitcoin, which is 5%, is going to take those profits, and when you select that compound option, it puts those profits into this allocated bucket. So going forward, you're actually able to see this value increasing because it's going to be making more purchases, and essentially you actually can observe the compounding effect taking place right in front of your eyes, right? So this is the amount that will be increased each and every day that a submission is done. All right, guys, a brother be tired after working on this last update, so I'm about to catch a few Z's, but just wanted to drop this video real quick just to keep you guys aware of the latest and greatest. All right, that's all I got for you in this one, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.